Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In other news, Zimbabwean businessman Wicknell Chivayo has publicly celebrated legendary football coach Sandy Mofu Chizambwa, presenting him with a brand new Toyota Fortuner and a cash gift in recognition of his immense contribution to the game. Chivayo took two eggs formerly known as Twira on Tuesday to pay tribute to Chizambwa, describing him as one of the few names in Zimbabwean football that have shaped the DNA of this game. As a token of appreciation for Chizambwa's lifelong dedication to football, Chivayo announced that the legendary coach would receive a 2026 Toyota Fortuner 2.4 GD6 4x2 valued at 72,000 United States dollars, fully paid for. Additionally, Chivayo included 20,000 United States dollars in cash to cover lunch and fuel. Further admiring Chizambwa, owner X Chivayo said his firm yet humble leadership has made him a legend in football, which deserves a proper recognition. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.